you think the hair extension industry only revolves around selling raw hair?
In fact, thanks to the increasing ingenuity and skill, Vietnamese workers have brought the hair industry to a new level with diverse hair extension products.
Let's explore inside the Nasahair factory to see this. With the development of society, today the hair extension industry not only just stops at book hair.
Thanks to advanced technology and techniques, products such as keratin, tape, weft are increasingly popular with customers.
This is how we produce the keratin hair.
Each strand of hair is carefully processed to ensure the most durable and natural. Currently, Nasahair provides a full range of most popular keratin hair tips such as flat tip, K-tip, U-tip, I-tip, narrow-ring, and V-tip.
Hair tip is a top choice of salon because it's easy to use and lasts a long time. And for hair tip, Nasahair provides two main lines: is normal tip and invisible tip.
The normal size will be 1 cent in width and 4 cents in length, but there are customers who need a long tip and will still have it. In addition, if you need tape hair of different shapes, Nasahair also have a variety of molds to suit with your needs. Weft hair at Nasahair is made with special techniques to help limit hair loss and maintain perfect shape. Different lengths from 120 cents and to 150 cents. Hair extension products not only help the beautiful industry develop but also create jobs for thousands of workers in Vietnam. Thanks to that, they have a stable income to support their family and children. At Nasahair, we provide a full range of hair extension, keratin, tape, weft, leave-in, buffer, and wig. Whatever you need, we have it. Contact us now to receive a quote and advice on the most valuable product for your business.